Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. We got some Kurobuta Berkshire pork. It's gonna be Bob. I kept it simple, salt and pepper. That's all we're gonna do. And we're gonna smoke them on the Weber. Let me go start that fire. I'll bring you along with me. This Weber that I'm using, it doesn't have a temperature gauge. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this bad boy. I got one vent open in the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and close that one off a little bit more than halfway and just keep my eye on it. I'll bring you back when it's ready. A little bit of brown sugar. You can use what you want, light, brown, dark, doesn't matter. Some butter. I'm gonna drizzle some honey. Yeah, baby, they're gonna be bomb. Just like that. Same thing. Some brown sugar. More butter. And some honey. Just trying to build flavors here. Smells fantastic in here. So you just want to let them brown 2-3 minutes on each side. Flip them over. Put them on a paper towel. Let them drain from the oil. We'll plate up right now and we're gonna check this food out. Let's make a quick dipping sauce. I got some sour cream. Those papas. Pretty simple. You can use your favorite hot sauce. Just mix. Remember guys, it's just a simple, quick sauce. Nothing to it. Let's try it now. Berkshire Kurobuta spare ribs. Bomb, right? Yeah, baby. Cuts just like butter. No resistance whatsoever. Amazing. Bomb, right guys? Little bit of a smoke ring there. All right, let's check this out. Salud. This is the best rib I've ever had in my life. Outstanding. So tender. There's a different flavor in there from that Berkshire. These ribs are phenomenal. You guys want to impress your friends or your family? Make sure you guys get these ribs right here. Freaking amazing. Let's go for another bite. Outstanding. Outstanding. Papa. These ribs are bomb. So let's do a quick recap. Put them in the Weber for 4 hours. I smoked them. I sprayed twice or spritzed with water twice. Then I wrapped it. I put butter, honey, and brown sugar on both sides. Put it back in the smoker for an hour, about an hour and a half. Pulled them off. I didn't add no barbecue sauce, nothing else. Has plenty of sugar. But I only let them rest maybe because they're still warm. Maybe 10 minutes. Berkshire Kurobuta spare ribs, phenomenal. Worth the money. Worth the money. And as you can see, it's a clean bite. Let me say this before I say a rato. I've never cooked on the Weber like that before. I've never smoked anything on the Weber. It's the first time. I've always cooked on the offset smoker. I had a barrel smoker before the one I have now, but I've never cooked on the Weber, smoked anything. Sure, I've grilled a lot of stuff on the Weber, but as far as smoking, first time ever. And damn, it's not bad for a first time, right? Freaking nailed it, man. Takes skill. Takes skills to be a, I don't want to call myself a pitmaster, but it takes skills to barbecue. It's not easy. But if you guys put a lot of work into it, you guys can get it just like me or anybody else. Because we all know when we put a lot of work into it, we produce great barbecue. Right, guys? Check that out. And let me tell you, I've been barbecuing my whole entire life. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Thank you. And I'll see you guys next week.